Hi everyone, so I'm going to make a quick little video to talk about the Tonic Mega Vault Sale really quickly. So I'll have it linked to go right to the Vault Sale and the individual sections. Those will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission for your purchase items to those links, and that's for the US and the UK sites. I keep those links separate. If there's something on the UK site that you prefer and you're in the US, you can definitely order from there. You're just going to pay the shipping. Like I said, I've ordered before and I don't feel like the shipping was ridiculous, but it might depend on the price of like what you order, you know, I don't know the amount, but I think I've placed a pretty good amount before and it wasn't anything too crazy. Excuse me, oh my goodness, I've already started this video 3 times. I have something in my throat and I'm like, oh, I'll just start over. But really quickly, and then someone had mentioned that all the deals were actually there, but they weren't in a comment, and then when I checked it, there were some things there, but the pricing was regular pricing, so I don't think the pricing on each thing, like if it is going to drop, is going to drop until the day that they say that, okay, today is for, you know, the craft kits, the designer's choice, the stamp club. So they might be there. You might see things in there, but you know, I would hate to say, oh, just pick it up and then, you know, the next day it goes to $5.99 or something. That would not be fun. So if you see something in there and it's a day that hasn't launched, you know, for that particular section, just know that. I would wait. That's me. But anyway, 3 more days, as you can see by the time I'm filming this here video. And what I want to talk about real quickly is the designer's choices, you guys. Oh my gosh. So I have pretty much all these I picked up, you know, Bunnies in Bloom. And again, just because it's brought back doesn't mean it's going to be reduced in price, right? So this is one that's more recent, or like the Hello Friend one. So they just brought it back. It's the same pricing. Some of them will be on sale, like the Chai Caddy is $9.99. You know, the Floral Sentiments are $9.99. That one's really, I love both these. I was looking for my Chai Caddy to show it to you. I know I have it here. I did it in red and gold. But what I can do is link the videos to some of these items, and those videos will be in the description box if you want to check them out really quickly. The reason I came on too is the sensor box. This is one of the very first ones I had reviewed for Tonic, and it is gorgeous. I'll show you in here. This looks like the pictures are okay on the website. I know some of the, like this corsage and carnations, I think it's what it's called. Gorgeous. It's the big, huge circular dies, and then it has like corner dies. Really, really pretty set. On the website, oh, you know, it's messed up here too. So see how it says Mini Desk Tidy, and you have the picture of the Mini Desk Tidy, which is cute. This one also shows the pictures of the Mini Desk Tidy, but it's the corner creation. So once you click on it, you'll see the right thing. And if there's time for me to make a new video on the sensor box, I'll do that. A lot of times what happens is things sell out, and then what was the point of the video, right? So I'll link, like I said, the videos I've already made for these things. But if you click, the next picture is the right one. So it's this one, where it has all these like pockets and all these things. This one's a great set. I mean, you guys. So they do have some images and some little glitches here and there. But what I want to show you is, I think in one of the sets, they already have this, the typewriter one, which is super cute. Just adorable, and you make a cute little typewriter, and you can obviously embellish it with all these different things. That's not a designer's choice, but I wanted to show you. So this is the little desk mini tidy. It looks like this. Again, that one's more recent. I did a video on. I'll put that back. Some of these are really old school, so they don't have them anymore. And they're ones that I even picked up through the vault sales, because whenever I knew that Tonic existed, I was like, so whenever there was a vault sale, I picked up everything. I want to show you. This is not this one. I know where this ends. These are, that Borders one everybody was going nuts for. This one here, this is the sensor box. Really cool. Again, you have this big piece. You cut out 2 of them, and then you design it however and decorate however you want. So it's a really easy construction, but it's just a really cool looking box. So if I have time today, like when I get back and it hasn't sold out, I will definitely get to this. I believe this one's back in stock. That's the I forget the name of it. Sorry guys, but it looks like almost like a perfume bottle, but it makes like a cool lotus looking box. What else do they have listed? Oh, this is that carnations and corsage and carnations one. And then this is that corner one. Really cool stuff. So I just want to show them to you again in real life. And then if it's not sold out when I get back from dropping off the kids at school, I will create a new video for the sensor at least, okay? Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll have it all linked in the description box, and I'll see you guys at the next one. Bye now.